If you follow martial arts competitions, you will notice that Muay Thai has been adopted by some of combat sports' top athletes. For people merely interested in an effective form of self-defense, Muay Thai offers a brutal, percussive way of inflicting damage on an attacker. It is great for hand-to-hand combat in everyday situations where an assailant may be in close, medium or long range, making it perfect for stand-up fighting. One of the differentials between Muay Thai and other striking arts such as karate or kung fu is the philosophy behind the striking. In karate and other traditional martial arts, students are taught to retract their punches and kicks in a snapping fashion, making strikes have less of an impact on an opponent's body. Muay Thai punches, kicks, knees and elbows are taught in a way that involves striking through your opponent. Tremendous momentum is generated with Muay Thai techniques, making every shot land at a brutal point of impact capable of taking an adversary out. Why train Muay Thai? For those that want to learn traditional Muay Thai, the style is ideal for more than martial arts professionals. The martial art has a lot to offer to people of all ages and aspirations. Here are some of the ways in which people approach Muay Thai training. Elevate your striking. If you've trained in wrestling or any other grappling discipline and are looking for a martial art that will make you a well-rounded martial artist capable of fighting on the feet, Muay Thai is an ideal addition to your library of skills. It's also great for those in search of an effective training regimen that will give them actionable techniques for self-defense situations. All fights start on the feet, and knowing how to overcome an opponent in a stand-up fight is important on the street. Entering mixed martial arts. Those wishing to enter the world of combat sports, Muay Thai combined with a solid ground game can make an athlete capable of facing opponents from different backgrounds. In a sport where the goal is to beat your adversary to submission, Muay Thai has a leg up on other striking arts. You will not only learn to deliver debilitating strikes but also learn to best defend high-impact shots so as to avoid sustaining damage. Some of the most successful mixed martial artists today that are at the top of their divisions started off competing in Muay Thai. Participating in Muay Thai competitions as mentioned above, great MMA champions have started off by making their marks as kickboxing and Muay Thai fighters. If you have the desire to compete in the martial arts but are not interested in entering MMA, training to fight Muay Thai in Thailand is a good first step. Every year, many Westerners travel to Thailand to train and compete in an environment steeped in culture and tradition. One such example is John Wayne Parr, a martial artist and gym owner that has over 130 fights in the sport and built a name as one of the premier Muay Thai practitioners in the world. Physical fitness. Maybe getting in an octagon or a ring and engaging in prizefighting is not your thing. Muay Thai still has a lot to offer in the realm of physical fitness. Sure, you could go to a gym and lift weights and do tons of boring cardio, but why not learn to defend yourself while working up a sweat while burning hundreds of calories and becoming shredded? You'll be hard-pressed to find a Muay Thai practitioner that doesn't have a chiseled physique. Where you train makes a difference. Immersing yourself in the culture of Muay Thai in its birthplace is a different experience than training at your local gym. The history of the art can be traced back for centuries, and the teachers and athletes that train Muay Thai in Thailand have made the discipline the centerpiece of their lives. Even the most experienced Western practitioners talk about the nuances they were privy to when traveling to Thailand and training with top athletes and professional instructors. Why learn Muay Thai in Thailand? While you don't need to pack your belongings and move to Thailand in order to learn Muay Thai, not taking the opportunity to train in the art's birthplace is akin to a chef opening a high-end Italian restaurant without ever visiting Italy. Sure, anyone can follow a few recipes, but there are details that are hidden in how the ingredients are prepared and used that make a dish authentic. The same applies to martial arts and Muay Thai. Why attend a Muay Thai training camp? A training camp differs from attending a regular class in that a lot more learning is crammed in. The idea of a training camp is that time is set aside to engage in focused teaching of Muay Thai techniques, sparring and the spiritual aspects of the discipline. With Thailand being a predominantly Buddhist country, a lot of spirituality has permeated into Muay Thai, adding an important element of self-discipline and introspection. These are all things you cannot find outside of Thailand. Learn traditional Muay Thai. There are 4 different traditional styles of Muay Thai, each with a varying emphasis on footwork, defense and even some throws and grappling. Traditional Muay Thai holds secrets that are often lost in your average Western school. Combine training with a vacation. Thailand is a vacation destination for millions of people from around the world, and its natural beauty captivates the imaginations of millions of others that have yet to visit the country. In 2017 alone, over 31 million people visited the country, and with over 1,500 miles of coastline, Thailand provides the opportunity for beach lovers to enjoy the ocean. Even though you will be focusing most of your time and effort in learning Muay Thai, there is absolutely no reason why you can't also take in the beautiful scenery and experience nature in its purest form. Learn more about the Muay Thai training camp and the location it is held: Krabi, Thailand. Great value for money. The benefits of attending a training camp in Thailand are already numerous, but when you factor in the return on investment you get, passing up the opportunity becomes absolutely incomprehensible. The outlay for attending such a life-changing experience is less than many might spend on a weekend at a domestic destination. To get a better idea of the value for money, click the link on this page to book today and train Muay Thai in Thailand.